Hello, friend. Are you ready for an adventure? We're in a magical jungle filled with friendly animals and amazing surprises. Our friend Leo is here and he's going to help us learn our ABCs. It's going to be so much fun. Are you ready? Let's go! Look! Our first letter. It's the letter A. What is A for? Wow! It's an apple. So shiny and red. Yummy! Can you say A is for apple? Great job! What's next? It's the letter B. And B is for ball. Look at it bounce. Let's say it together. B is for ball. Awesome! Here comes the letter C. And who is that? It's a fluffy white cat. Aw, so cute! C is for cat. You're a superstar. Get ready to make some noise. It's the letter D. D is for drum. I love that beat. D is for drum. Let's march. Wow, look at this one. The letter E. And E is for the giant, gentle elephant. Amazing! E is for elephant. You're so smart. Let's see. It's the letter F. And F is for the beautiful golden fish. Splish splash. F is for fish. Fantastic! Ooh, something sweet. The letter G. G is for grapes. So purple and juicy. G is for grapes. Good job. What's floating down? It's the letter H. H is for hat. That's a fun hat. H is for hat. Hooray! Okay, what's coming up now? It's the letter I, and I is for ice cream. Wow, look at those yummy scoops with sprinkles and a cherry on top. That looks delicious. Can you say I is for ice cream? Fantastic. Here comes our next letter. It's the letter J. J is for a big glass of juice. Look at that fun curly straw. So refreshing. Let's say it together. J is for juice. Wonderful. Look up. It's the letter K. K is for kite. It's flying high in the sky with the colorful birds. Let's pretend to fly our kites. Whoosh. K is for kite. You're doing great. Who is this? It's the letter L. And L is for the big, brave lion. He looks so friendly. Can you give a little roar? Roar. Wow, you're a great lion. Who's swinging in to say hello? It's the letter M. M is for that silly, happy monkey. He's waving back. Shh, let's be quiet for this one. Here comes the letter N. N is for a cozy little nest with 3 beautiful blue eggs inside. So precious. Can you whisper it with me? N is for nest. Oh, this looks tasty. It's the letter O. O is for a big round orange. Look at it peel itself. That's magic. Healthy and delicious. O is for orange. Awesome job. Time to get creative. Here's the letter P. P is for pencil. And look, it's drawing a sparkling star. So beautiful. You are a star. Here comes the letter Q. And Q is for the beautiful waving queen. Let's give a royal wave. Excellent. Look at the sky. It's the letter R. R is for rainbow. Wow, look at all the beautiful colors. It's so pretty. R is for rainbow. Amazing. Here to brighten our whole day is the letter S. S is for the happy smiling sun. Hello, Mr. Sun. Can you say S is for sun? You brighten my day. All aboard. Listen, it's the letter T. And T is for the little toy train. Choo-choo. Here it comes. T is for train. Okay, what's coming up now? Hey, what's this for? It's the letter U. And U is for umbrella. It pops right open. Just in case it rains. U is for umbrella. Super. Oh, listen to that lovely sound. It's the letter V. And V is for violin. That's beautiful music. V is for violin. Bravo! I wonder what time it is. Time to learn the letter W. W is for watch. Look at the hands go round and round. Tick tock goes the watch. W is for watch. You're almost there. Let's play a song. It's the letter X. And X is for xylophone. Look at all the colors. Let's tap along. X is for xylophone. What a happy sound. Whee! This looks like fun. It's the letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Look at it go up and down, up and down, up and down. Y is for yo-yo. Way to go! Here it is, our very last letter. The letter Z. And Z is for zebra. Look at all those wonderful stripes. Wow, we did it! Z is for zebra. You are an alphabet expert.
On the journey done, beneath the happy smiling sun.
Jadootree.